guys, this is Janelle with Uptown Gal. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wrap the midi dress. Any one of the prints you can wrap the exact same way, so stay tuned for your style guide. Today I'm going to be using the serpent midi, and what I like to do is start with the traditional wrap. So I would open up my wrap dress and then crisscross in the front. Whichever side you want to start with, you just pull up to your waist on both ends so we can snatch the waist, crisscross in the back, and once you have these two panels, you put the left over your left boob, the right over your right boob, so you can kind of see. And then you would just tie at the back. So obviously you would not have a bra on, but you know, you get the picture. So this would be the very first way that you can style this dress. Now we're gonna do the two-piece dress. And so you start at your base. I always call this point your base. Make sure your seams are lined up, and then start with the wrap to the front. Take one side and secure it around your waist. The next side, secure it around your waist. Wrap to the back. And again, you will have these two panels. I would then take the left side and put it over my right boob. Then I would take the right side over my left boob. So I essentially have this sweetheart shape here. And then I would just double tie it in the back. Make sure it is secure enough for the evening. If you want a little less coverage, you can hike it up. But this is essentially the two-piece. You can kind of see it in the back, the way that it falls. And if you wanted to make this full coverage now, you would just take the material and just scrunch it down and back up. So you can literally easily transition this, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. So this is the full coverage now. Again, same concept in the back. But you know, it'll give you a little extra more, a little more curving on the side. Now, if you want to make this, it's what I call it, the goddess dress. You start with the skirt in the front. You take one side and put it over your shoulders like this. Then take the next side, wrap it around your waist, and then through, make sure the back is out. Wrap it around, then wrap it around your waist. So you have this strap out and this to the side. Take this strap at the back and on the side, crisscross it. And then again, same thing. Just cinch the waist. Go. And what I love about this one, it has this slit on the side that really gives life. Here goes the back of the dress. The top looks I prefer loose fitting pants. That has always been my thing, but you can wear skinny jeans, you can kind of wear whatever. The material is light enough so that it can go under a bunch of different materials. But you essentially would start with your dress, but instead of starting at your waist, you would start, you know, at your bra strap. I would turn it and wrap it around once, and then put this over your neck. And then you can just tie it at the back. So you can wear it just as like, I'll take off my bra real quick. But you can just wear it as a tunic top. And what I love about this is it has the dramatic back. So it really gives you, you know, something a little extra. So yeah, it's very simple. Wrap it around the back. If you wanted to wear it inside, I would just take the material, push it inside your clothes. And again, it's light enough not to be too baggy. You know, so it can still lay the right way. But I would take this, put it inside. I prefer to have this like triangle, but you can also put it inside, wear it with the dramatic back. Or you can take the straps and wrap it around. And, you know, add something a little extra to this. You can even go further and tuck in the straps. So it's just one, you don't have the panel at the back. So it's just one neat shirt. And then again, if you want like a goddess shirt vibe, I would take the strap, pull it over, and instead of going around your waist, I would go around like your bust now. So take this panel, come over, and then wrap it around. And then again, all this material you can put inside your pants. Again, you can literally wear this just as a shirt. And then to style this as a regular skirt, again, make sure the seams lined up, start at your base. Take it, cinch the waist on the right and then on the left. And then you literally take the two panels and wrap it around you as many times as you need. Some people want one wrap, some people want two or three, whatever works for you. And skirt version of this. There are also buttons on the side that you can use to button the dress. That will kind of give you a high-low vibe if that's what you're looking for. If you want it a little longer, or shorter, if you want it a little shorter actually. All right, so thank you guys for watching our style guide. If you have any questions on how to style your new piece, please leave comments on our Instagram or under this video. A member from our team will be more than happy to answer. Outside of that, make sure you follow Shop Uptown Gal and show us your Uptown Gal style on our social media. Until next time.